In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students of grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fine. I am also good, alhamdulillah. Welcome in our online classes as today is Monday 14th December 2020. It is our science lecture time and our today's topic is chapter number 20, using electricity. So students, today we are going to do exercise number 3, answer this question. So get ready for today's work. Okay students, before doing the exercise number 3, answer this question, I want to take a short review about this chapter, using electricity. As we have learned in this chapter that electricity is all around us. It powers our lights, charges our phones and helps keep us warm. Electricity is a form of energy that can give things the ability to move and work. Okay students, now come on our today's task, as today is Monday 14th December 2020. Our today's topic is using electricity and our today's exercise number 3 is answer this question. Question number 1 is write down a few things that need electricity to work. Okay student, in this image you can see there are few things that needs electricity to work, like fridge, electric kettle, microwave oven, sewing machine, washing machine, air conditioner, vacuum cleaner, electric heater and computer are also needs electricity to. Students, as you have seen the many appliances in the video, that fan, bulb, washing machine, television and iron etc. need electricity to work. This is the answer of the question number 1. I want to again repeat my answer. Fan, bulb, washing machine, television and iron etc. need electricity to work. Now come on the question number 2. How does a battery provide electricity? Now let's see an image in which you will see that how a battery provide electricity. Okay students, in this image you can see how two chemicals produce the electricity to the battery. By the help of the chemical we get electricity to the batteries. Okay students. Students, as you have seen in the image that the answer number 2, the chemical inside the battery make electricity. As you have seen the procedure of the chemical, that chemical inside the battery, how make electricity. By the help of chemical inside the battery, make electricity. This is the answer of the question number 2. Okay students, is it clear? Students, now come on the question number 3. When do we use electricity? Now let's see the appliances in which we use electricity. Students, we come to know we use electricity when we flip a switch at our home and we want to light up a dark room, as you can see, and when we want to wash our clothes and when we want to listen the radio and music and when we want to watch the television. Okay students, as you have seen the images, the answer is we use electricity when we flip a switch and light up dark rooms, wash our clothes, listen to the radio, watch TV etc. Okay students, it is a little long question answer for you, but it is very easy. When do we use electricity? We use electricity when we flip a switch and light up dark rooms, wash our clothes, listen to the radio, watch TV etc. Is it clear students? Question number 4 is how do we get electricity? Now let's see students, how do we get electricity? Students, we take the electricity from the grid station. In this image, you are watching the grid station. It is a plant where electricity produced and supplied to the sockets in our home. Okay, students. As you know, main electricity generated by power stations delivered to homes and industries through wires finally connected to main sockets supplies a lot of electrical energy. Students, as you learn by the images, how do we get electricity? So the answer is wire take electricity from the grid station to the sockets in our home. This is called main electricity. Is it clear, students? Now come on the question number 5. How can we save electricity? It is understood, students. We can save electricity by switching off the extra electric appliances. Okay, students. I hope you have note down all these answer this question on your science notebook. It is your homework. You will maintain the page same like this. Firstly, you will write day, date, month and year. Then you will draw the margin line like this, and you will write the work like in this sequence. Firstly, you will write the exercise 3, answer this question. You will underline the topic and also the subtopic. Then you will do the work on your science notebook, question number 1 to 5. Okay, students? And you will learn this work by your heart. Till then, Allah Hafiz, students. Inshallah, we will meet tomorrow with a good health. Allah Hafiz.